Just look at that cheese pool. Today, we are making cheesy chicken balls infused with bold Indian flavors and packed with melty cheese at the center. For that signature Indian flavor, we are starting with a quick blend of aromatics. For this, grab a few cloves of garlic, an inch of fresh ginger sliced, a couple of green chilies which you can adjust on your heat preference, and handful of fresh coriander leaves. Toss these ingredients into a blender and pulse until you get a coarse textured paste like this. Next, in a large mixing bowl, take about 500 grams of chicken breast which we have finely minced. To this, add the aromatic blend we just made, a pinch of crushed white pepper, a small spoonful of garam masala for that warm, deep flavor, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, this will keep the chicken juicy, and a bit of salt. Go a bit easy with the salt. We will be adding cheese later which bring its own saltiness. Mix everything thoroughly, cover the bowl and let it rest for about 30 minutes. This marination helps the flavors really soak into the meat. While the chicken mixture marinates, get your fillings and coatings ready. Starting with cheese, which we will take a few slices and cut them into quarters. You can also use cheese cubes if you prefer. For the egg wash, beat 2 eggs in a bowl. This will help the breadcrumbs stick to it. And finally, spread out a generous layer of breadcrumbs on a plate for coating. Now it's time to shape the balls. Take a small handful of the marinated chicken mix and flatten it on your palm like a mini patty. Then place a piece of cheese in the center. Next, gently fold the chicken mixture over the cheese and roll it into a ball, making sure the cheese is completely sealed inside. Now, roll each chicken ball into the breadcrumbs for the first coat. Then dip it into the egg wash. Then roll it again in the breadcrumbs for the final coat. That double layer gives the perfect golden crunch once you have fried it. You should get about 8 chicken balls with the recipe, perfect for a small gathering or a snacky dinner. At this stage, if you are planning ahead for a party, you can store the uncooked balls in an airtight container in the fridge and fry them fresh when your guests arrive. Deep fry them in a refined oil in a kadhai or a deep pan. Keep the flame on medium-low so that the chicken cooks through and the cheese in the center melts gently without the outside burning. Fry until they turn beautifully golden brown. Then place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain off any extra oil. Plate your chicken balls on the bed of fresh shallot, garnish with chopped coriander and serve it with your favorite dip, ketchup, mint chutney or even garlic mayo works great. Thanks for watching and until next time, happy cooking!